Hello children. In my last video, I gave you the example of the covalent bonding. Now more example I'm going to give you here, right? That is that number 6. Is it clear? Methane, right? Formula is what? CH4. How this bond combines? How this atom combines and form a bond? See that here, carbon. So carbon, it will be what? C, and atomic number is 6, right? These are the atoms. So what is the electronic configuration? It is 2 and 4. Next one is there. Hydrogen is there, right? Atomic number is what? 1. These are the atoms. So electronic configuration is what? 1. Now see here. Here the carbon C is there, right? And 4 is there. Suppose 1 here, 1 here, 1 here, and 1 here, right? Now all over the hydrogens are there. So hydrogen, 1 you write on here. Again hydrogen, 1 you write on here. Again hydrogen, 1 you write here. And again hydrogen, 1 is right. Now this one is going to combine with this combined with this combined with this, and this one with this one. So what is forming there? It is C here. C, H, H, and H. CH4. Right? Very simple. What happens to the carbon atoms? You see that ions when it's converting there. So it will be C, and here -4, right? So this becomes 2 and 8. Similarly, hydrogen. So hydrogen become plus because it's donated 1. So these ions is what? 2, right? So this will be there. So it is a single bond. This is what? Single bond. Because 1, 1, 1 all over is there. Next one you see the another example, number 7. Carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride. Right? What's the formula is there? CCl4. Is it clear? Here also same. Carbon is what? Atomic number. It is 6. These are the atoms. Electronic configuration will be what? 2 and 4. Right? First of all, you see how it's combining there. Suppose here C is there, carbon is there. Right? Now, that carbon, the 4 will be outside like that. Here, suppose here 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now, chlorine all over. The chlorine is what? See that chlorine, that 17 is there. So these are the atoms. Electronic configuration is what? 2, 8, and 7. Right? So here, when you write here chlorine, so here 7 should be outside. Suppose 2, 4, 6, and 1, 7. So here also chlorine, what will you write here? 2, 4, 6, and 1, 7. Here also what will you write here? Chlorine, 2, 4, 6, and 1, here 7. Here also write on chlorine. What will be there? Here 2, 4, 6, and 1 here. Now this chlorine combines with this one here. then again this one will be combining, this also bonds forming there, right? They form the bond, right? So what type of this one is there? Simple, right? C, and then chlorine is what? Here C, here chlorine. So chlorine is there, 6 is only there, it's combined like that. So see that chlorine 2, 4, 6. Bond is formed like that, right? Now in this also chlorine here. So 2, 4 and 2 here 6. Here also chlorine is there, right? It will be what? 2, 4 to 6 is there, right? So when this combined, another one also is there, chlorine 2, 4 and 6. So these are the bonds has been formed with this one, right? So what happened there to this one? So chlorine become, what has there? Yeah, 4 minus, so it will be 2 and 8. Similarly, what will happen to the chlorine atoms like that? Sorry, here the carbon atom. A chlorine atom is what? It was 17 there, that I have written over there, this one. So what will be the ions here? Ions will be that 2, 8 and 8. So this one the 4 single bond. How many is there? 4 single bond. 4 single bonds. Right? This one. Now, so these are the combination, the how they are combining and forming. Right. Next one you see. Another example of that one. This all the example will help you to see how is combined and the covalent bond, right? Like that water is there. Water that you know very simple, H2O, right? Hydrogen atom is what? Hydrogen 1 is there. So here 1 will be there, right? Oxygen what will be there? That you know 8. So it will be 2 and 6. Now what happens here? You see that. Suppose oxygen is here and here what is there? 2, 4, right? 5 and 1, 6 here. This is your oxygen, right? Now here hydrogen is combining like that. Here hydrogen, here also the hydrogen, right? So you see this will be combining with this. Suppose here is there, so this will combine with this, right? So what has formed like that here? See, oxygen was there and then one hydrogen here and one hydrogen here, right? So this becomes H2O. Now what happens to the ions here? That is, so hydrogen ions is there, so hydrogen ion, then it's become 2, right? And oxygen is what? Oxygen is what here? It was 2 minus, so it will be 2 and 8. Simple is there. So what type of bond is here? 2 single bonds, right? These are the 2 single bonds. 2 single bonds. Is it clear? Okay. Now I'm going to say like the polar nature of the atoms, right? I'm going to explain you the polar nature of the atom, how it is, what is polarity and all that will coming there. So you know polar nature of the atoms. Polar nature of atom, right? Polar nature of atom. In this, oxygen is more that you know electronegative. Then hydrogen, hence the shared pair of the electrons moves towards the you could say oxygen atom. Hence the oxygen develops the small negative charge, right? That is known as sometimes delta negative also. And hydrogen develops on a small positive charge, delta plus. So oxygen has the two pairs of the lone pair. To, I'm writing here, then you'll understand more. Oxygen is more electronegative. Oxygen is more electro. What I will discuss, I'm just writing to you will be understanding more. Electronegative. Electronegative than the hydrogen. Right? So, hence the shared pair of electrons, hence the shared pair of electrons moves towards the oxygen, moves towards the oxygen. See what happens, why it is a lone pair, right? The oxygen develop a small negative charge and develop a small negative charge. Negative charge, right, which is known as delta negative. That also indication, the symbol for that. And hydrogen develop a small positive charge, and hydrogen develop a small positive charge, right? That is known as delta plus, right? So oxygen has two pairs of lone electrons, right? So oxygen has two pair of lone electrons, है ना? Right? Right? So they repel each other, right? So they repel each other, right? When they repel each other means what? Hydrogen and hydrogen, right? Like that, see, hydrogen and hydrogen, right? So bond makes a single of 104 के आते हैं, right? Makes a single, I mean makes an angle of 104.5 degree, है ना? Right? So that's why these are the bonds known as the polar nature of the atoms, right? So in that, so in my next video I'll give you some more example of this one, the polar nature of the atoms, or the lone pairs one, and then it will be more clear to you according to the my, right? Thank you, children.